Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? It's been a while. It's been a goddamn while. If you are new here, because I've been getting lots of new subscribers lately, so if you are new, you're welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And thank you for returning back. For those of my returning subscribers, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you very much. And if you guys are already part of the family but you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Lately there's been a heat wave in Britain, in UK, in London, and as of yesterday the temperature was about 35 degrees, and today was going to be the highest, up to 37 degrees. So I'm really going out of my comfort zone to do this video, because today of all day they decided to do the grass cutting outside, so I have to shut my window so that I don't need that noise disturbance. And yet I have two scotch bunny lights around me. This is not nice at all. Anyway, for today's video, it's gonna be a hair tutorial. So I know there's a lot of videos like this on YouTube already, so if you are here thinking you want to learn something, that's fine. But if you don't learn, or if you don't get what you're looking for, there's lots of video online, so you can also search for that. Apart from that, I'm not really professional at doing this hair video, but because it's my personal thing, personal use, I could classify that as being okay enough. As you can see from the title of this video, is how I slay my lace frontal. I think this is my first wig I've ever done, like ever since I've been alive. In my entire life, this is my first wig I've ever done, and to tell you the truth, I'm really impressed about it. I am so glad. So why not show you guys how I style my hair and how I lay it down to sleek like my edges, you know. So guys, as you all can see, this is my natural hair. It shrink when I had water to read, but you guys can remember a few of my videos as I last year I really got a really low cut, so my hair has really grown from that to now. If I may relax it with obviously chemical, it's going to be straightened up and longer than this, but because it's natural growing and there's no chemical on it, so it stretches out to its length, but when there's water in it, it shrinks as if I don't got no hair. So yeah, so first of all, for us to have like a really sleek laid hair, we want to protect our own natural hair underneath our wig. Some people sometimes wear their wig on top of their natural hair, if it's woven or if it's like this. I don't know why, but it's more like they can be bothered to do the extra method of applying a wig cap before their wig on it, so they actually pack their hair. If it's long, slick it back with gel, set it, and they go on with your wig. But as for me, that don't have really that much long hair to actually pack backwards or sleek, I am gonna be applying or putting my wig cap on top of my hair to protect it from, you know, from the smell of the hair or whatever, just to protect my hair really. We have a black wig cap, we have a nude wig cap, and we have another nude wig cap, but this is not dirty. This is actually stained with foundation, which I apply today. So the reason for this stained wig cap is just to make it look realistic as possible as your scalp. Believe me not, this nude wig cap cannot be our scalp color. No, it's too pale, too light to be our scalp color. You can see my skin is way too different. But however, this color seems to match our scalp color, like seems to match compared to this. So that's why we tend to like stain our wig cap, which is nude, to like foundation color, or you can get a brown one, so whichever you want. But I always like to wear my black wig cap. I don't know why, but for today's video I'm gonna be wearing this one today. So first thing first, spread it out wide as if you're spreading out your condom. Yep, and put it on your hair. Okay, if you apply this cap on your head, you can see you will automatically become an egg head or a cone head, whichever one. And whenever I do this, I always try to move this back, because obviously my hairline is not just there. This is where my hairline starts and stop. So I just try and move this just to the edge of my hairline, just to the edge. With this wig cap is too tight, like honestly, too tight. So this is how I would like my wig cap to sit on my hair. However, I don't want it to pass too much of my edges or my hairline, because the pressure of the wig cap, which is the band on your hair, will tend to separate your hair from your head or from your edges. That's why I like to put it just a bit above my hairline. So next we want to get our hair. We're gonna style on our head. So this is Jane. It's closest to me, so I just like to name my hair Jane. Jane is ready and set for me to lay it. Okay, first things first I do is to spray our hair. A lot of people use the glue and the spray to achieve a very tight, sleek hair. But today's video, I'm just gonna be using the spray. The spray is also a glue, but it's much less hard work than that of the glue and the spray together, if you get what I mean. So this is my first lace frontal, so it's also my first wig. So first I just spray this along my hairline. Oh god, this is so cold. I'm gonna spray this twice. So people leave this glue to dry tacky before they apply their wig, or blow dry it before they apply their wig. But however, I'm just gonna go ahead straight on with my wig and blow dry it to dry at the same time. It's right on my head, and I am going to go ahead to apply. Don't even know what happened. Don't know, I think I sprayed my ear. It's really not easy to lay this with lace wig, edges or whatnot. But yeah guys, so this is the process I go through just to layer it. So whenever there is space in the hair, or like the lace is lifted, you just go ahead, spray your got-to-be spray and apply your lace, and with the pressure onto your hair, so it melts. This hair is from Osilay hair from AliExpress. I really love this brand and their hair, but I customized this hair. I done this wig myself. So for optimal drying of this lace and this hair, I'm gonna go ahead with a blow dryer to dry everything out. On a cool heat. So once we finish blow drying our hair, it's still not fully dry yet, still a bit tucky and the rest. So we're gonna go ahead with our scarf to actually lay the edges, to actually like put it to like sleep, you know, stuff like that. So here we have our scarf. Just wanna layer it. You know what, I think this scarf is so big. So there you have it, guys. My hair is laying on top of my head. My edges are set, you know, everything's glued down, tacky, drying up. I just went over with my scarf just to give it extra hold, you know. And guys, I'm gonna get ready, do my makeup, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Ooh, I'm back, guys, and I finished laying my edges. My hair is set and laid, and I went ahead to finish my makeup and whatnot. So guys, so this is the finished look of how I slay my hair and my edges. Ooh, what lace. This is my scalp. Like, sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Ooh. Just gonna lose my hair for you, comb it, do whatnot. Like, hey, if it's tired, honestly, thinking about it, I just like to leave it. Ooh. Earring, what are you doing there? Like, come on. Edges laid. Which lace? Frontal Wig and everything. Yeah. So guys, yeah, this is the finished look of how I slay my hair, my edges, my wig, and what have you not. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know. Come on, slap a like on it. You need it. You are needed. Turn that red subscribe button into gray. Be part of the family. Subscribe before you go. Much appreciated. If you want to be receiving daily update alert from me, guys, please click on the notification bell icon. I post video every 1 to 2 weeks. No, sorry, not every 1 to 2 weeks. I post video 1 to 2 video every week. Click on the notification bell icon so you get notified. Alright, that's what I mean. If you haven't seen my previous video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Check out these 2 videos right here. But check them out, they're really spicy and juicy, especially this one. All my videos are always spicy and juicy, so guys, go check them out. And on that note, I'm closing up, running off, logging off, turning off. So guys, don't forget to take care of yourself and be nice to others. Love yourself. If you don't, who will? And until then, I'm gonna be seeing you on my next video. So peace out. Oh shit, it's really effing windy. Anyway, bye guys.